guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can send money through your Wise app. So to do so, first of all, you need to be logged into your Wise app. And once you're in your home page, you can see this option over here that says send money. Just tap on it and now just write down the amount that you want to send and in which currency that you want to send them. You can do this, and then you can also type in how much the recipient will get in either currency that you want to send them in. You can choose euros, British pound, Indian rupees, or Australian dollars, US dollars, anything that you want. And after you've written down the amount, just tap on continue. So I'll be writing down 100, and there you go. Now just all you have to do is just tap and continue, and this amount should arrive by Tuesday as shown here. So tap on continue, and now you just need to enter your bank details over here. So after you've done that, just tap on confirm, and then you'll be able to send money. So guys, that's how you send money through your Wise app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.